Hi guys, it's Michaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my eyeshadow project pan update. If you are new to this channel and this project, I randomized 5 eyeshadows and my goal is to either use them 50 times or hit pan on them, whichever one comes first. And I started this project at January of last year. However, I chose to just keep going with it instead of restarting it. So all of these are just goals from last year that I'm still trying to hit, and as new eyeshadows get rolled out, I'll roll in some new ones. So let's go ahead and start in with my Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. I am panning the shade Nooner, and I use this a total of 14 times, which means I only have 6 uses left. So this eyeshadow here is pretty much guaranteed to be rolled out next update. I did find a new way to use it. I actually have been using the shade as a contour shade, so I feel like if I would have figured this out sooner, I probably would have rolled this out like 2 or 3 months ago. But I've been enjoying panning it, and I see no reason why this shouldn't be rolled out by next update. The other eyeshadow that I feel like could get rolled out next update if I get on with using it would be from the Nabla Read My Mind palette, and I am panning the shade 16. I use this a total of 10 times this month, which means I only have 14 times left to use it. So I do feel like it is possible if I really put my mind to it and use it. If not, it will most definitely be rolled out the update after that. So there's a good potential for 2 eyeshadows to be rolled out by next month. And then from the Too Faced Born This Way, I am panning the shade Shimmering Sand. It's this shimmery one right here, and I only use this one time this month. It's gonna be a little while till this is rolled out, so I have 38 uses left before I can roll it out, so it'll probably be around early summer that I actually get this one rolled out. And then the 2 newest eyeshadows in this project, I rolled them in 2 months ago, I think, yeah, right before the new year. The first one is from the ColourPop Soul palette. I am panning the shade B&B. Last month I didn't even use it at all, so this month I made sure to at least use it a couple times. I only used it 3 times, so I do have 47 uses left before I can roll this out. So it'll probably be again like around summer, late summer, early fall at the rate I'm going right now, but who knows, I might just get into a frenzy where I just use it. And then the last one is from the ColourPop Lizzie McGuire palette. I am panning the shade Outfit Rememberer, and I use this a total of 7 times this month. So I have 41 uses left until I can roll it out. So again, summer-ish is probably when these last 3 will get rolled out, but I definitely see these 2 for sure being rolled out in the next month or 2. This one for sure by next update. This one at the very latest, the update after that. And I am actually starting to notice a bit of a dip in the shadow. Nothing I feel like I could hit pan on. I could potentially hit pan on the shade Nooner, but I doubt that's gonna happen. I'm not gonna wait around for pan to happen. I'd rather just roll in something that something new, something to kind of refresh this project a little bit. So yeah, anyway, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. So if that's what you want to, hit that subscribe button, and if not, but you still want to stick around, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.